Hey, so hello guys, my name is Saurav and you're watching Arrow Time. Today we are unboxing this Boya mic M1 and we will see that why YouTubers use this mic in their YouTube videos. So here's the box of Boya mic by M1 and you see at the bottom side it is compatible with the Android, tablet and computer, DSLR and webcam. Okay, on the back side of this box we see that it is a 20 feet audio cable and the MRP of this is 2750, but I got this Boya mic M1 for about 800 to 900 bucks. Okay, so let us unbox and we get inside in this box. So these are the stuffs we get with this box, and first of all we get this some warranty card over here and some paperwork inside it, and after that we get one very nice cover, and the build quality of the cover is very good. The main thing of Boya mic M1 that we get this converter clip and cell, extra cell in it. So finally we get this Boya mic M1, and you see that the build quality of the this mic is very good and fine, and it looks very premium inside it. So here is the switch over here which converts to camera and DSLR, and if we down it then it will convert it to smartphone. It will be compatible with the smartphones. So let us check that why this Boya mic M1 is always recommended for some YouTubers. So for this you see that this sound is coming straight from my smartphone, and after that you will see what Boya mic can do. So this sound is coming directly from the Boya mic M1 itself, and you see the clear difference between the camera mic and Boya mic M1 itself. So that's all for this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on this video for more stuff. Thank you.